are going to continue our discussion about France student visa. If you remember, in my last video, I was talking with you about France student visa procedure. And this video was especially for the people, for the countries where Campus France procedure are applied. I told you that if your country is governed by Campus France rule, you will have to apply two-step process, and first step was with Campus France and the second step is at VFS Center. We discussed about Campus France procedure in my last video. If you have not seen that video, you first go there and check all the procedures, because at VFS Center you will have to go with Campus France letter, Campus France registration ID. You can find link of that video in description box. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get such type of informative videos whenever I upload any videos, and you will get notification immediately. Let's continue with today's topic. What are the second steps? In this video, I am going to tell you about all documents which you will need to submit at VFS Center along with your visa application. So let's get started. First document is your main application. For that, you have to go to website of France student visa, and there you have to make your account and you have to submit your application. The procedure to make application and account is very easy. I have given the link of website in description box. Please check that link and go to that link and make your account and submit your application. When you will submit your application, it is going to ask with you your basic information, your course, school information, your funding, etc. etc. This step is compulsory. You have to go on website and you have to create your application. Once you will submit your information, you will get a form. You have to take print of that form and you will go to VFS Center with that form along with other supporting documents. Let's discuss about other supporting documents. First document will be as usual. You have already done Campus France procedure, so you might have one letter from Campus France. You are going to submit that letter along with your visa application. You have to give your passport copy along with passport size photographs as per specification given by French government. You can find detailed description of photos specification at the link which I have given you in description box. Please go there, click on the link, and then you will find information about specification of your photographs. What are the documents which I told you about? First is your application form. Second is your passport. Third is the Campus France document. And fourth is your passport size photograph. You will need at least 3 photographs, and you are going to need more photographs in France. So keep at least 10 to 20 copies. It will be very helpful for you. Next document which you have to show is your accommodation, where you are going to stay in France. I am sure you might have think about this option. You have many options. First, you can ask with your university if they are providing any campus accommodation, because generally campus universities accommodations are cheap, so you should go for that option. In that case, if university is going to provide you accommodation, you are going to receive one accommodation certificate from your university, and you can attach that accommodation certificate with your application. If you are planning to stay with some other relatives or friends, you will need one letter from them in a format which is given on website. Otherwise, most of the time it is better that if you are not prepared, if you have not thought that where you are going to stay, book accommodation for at least 3 months. 3 months accommodation is sufficient to show your accommodation for France student visa. Later you may think that where you want to stay. So you have 2 options. Either you ask with your university about accommodation certificate, or you can submit any accommodation proof for 3 months. You don't need to pay. You can select pay on check-in, etc. option. So this is also one way by which you can find accommodation. Next document which you will need is insurance. I know that in France you are going to covered by social security, but for the safe side you will have to take insurance, and it is mandatory for France visa application process. They want this insurance because they know that this process is going to take time, and they want to assure that in meanwhile, if you have something, some disease or some problem, you should have financial capabilities to tackle that situation. You have to take that insurance for at least 30,000 euros. So it doesn't mean that you have to pay 30,000 euros. It means that when you will buy one insurance, you will see that how much coverage you want. In the coverage, you have to select at least 30,000 euros so that you can get coverage for any type of disease up to 30,000 euros. You can check additional option also in many student insurance. You can get coverage for your flight delay, check-in, loss of baggage, loss of passport, etc. So go with the option which have more facilities than only your insurance coverage in France. Later you are going to covered by French Social Security, so I'm sure that you will not need it. But this step is mandatory. Next document you are going to need is your ticket. Flight ticket is also mandatory for France application center. And remember, if your course is less than 1 year, you have to show at least two-way tickets, means go and come back. But if your course is at least 1 year or more than 1 year, you have to show the date on which you are planning to go to France. On that day, you should have your flight ticket. Remember, when you will receive your visa, your date of entry in country will be same as your flight ticket. So if you want to go earlier, show your date as earlier. Book your flight, you have to book flight, or you can ask with some travel advisor to book one itinerary for you, and this will also help to show French government that you are planning to go for studies. Next very important document is your financial resources. How you are going to pay your fees, how you are going to pay your accommodation and other living expenses. As per France government, they want that you should have money at least 615 euros per month to cover your accommodation and your living expenses. Besides this, you have to show proof of your tuition fee. There are many ways to show this. Suppose you are going for 2-year course and your fee is approximately 15,000 euros. Then you will calculate your expenses for 615 euros per month into 24 because you are going for 2 years course. So you have to show this much amount into your account. Now many people face problems because this amount is very huge and nobody will have this type of amount into their account. So what are the other ways? You can show your education loan sanction letter. And your education loan sanction letter plus your savings should have sufficient amount to cover all these expenses. Or you can show that tuition fee is in your account, and for living expenses somebody else is going to support you. Anyhow, you have to show your tuition fee because they know that you have to submit your tuition fee immediately. So tuition fee amount should be there, but you should have other way to show that your money will come somehow or in some another way. For instance, if your parents are doing some job, you can submit one support letter from your parents and show their ITR and their pay slips, but that they have sufficient regular income, and they will assure to government that they are going to pay your living expenses and other fees, and you can show such type of proof. So this was about financial documents. So in summary, I will say that you have to submit your application form, your Campus France letter, passport, photographs, insurance, accommodation certificate, and your financial resources from where you are going to deposit your fees. I wish you very good luck, and I hope that you get your visa as soon as possible and you can fly to France and you can enjoy your time to learn many things in France and to start a new journey. Let's see you in next video. Till then, tata, see you, bye.